Hello artists, how are you today? Stephanie Aune coming to you from the banks of the Trinity River here in Six Rivers National Forest near Willow Creek, California. Oz and I welcome you to the studio. Well, what you see in the video is a lot different from what ended up here. Okay, today is simple lines. It's Tuesday, so we're just gonna play with some line work. Looking here at these little worksheets, we're working with simpler lines. Those ones are a little bit more technical. Tomorrow we get with a little bit more intense lines. Okay, so these are just quick. They're quick, guys. Don't get focused on them. Don't get obsessed over them. And I do not want you to compare your doodles to anybody else's, and here's why. And it's the same reason why I'm not giving you the PDF of these doodles at this point in time. If you want to go check it out, they're all over on Pinterest. Just type in doodles and you'll get a lot of information. Here's the thing, okay? Don't ever feel like yours is not as good as anybody else's. That is not what this is about. This is about developing your style, right? So we're wanting to create individual, unique little pieces. And if yours is different from everybody else's, that's okay. And that's good. That's what makes art interesting, is that there's so many people that have different styles. Now this one was a major mess up, and you'll see it. It's like, if I leave the video in with it, it got pretty bad. And so I scribbled it out and I was like, oh, well, and then I think it was Thursday after I'd been playing for a while, then I just went crazy with lines with Sharpies. I went back and I just kind of sketched through all sorts of different things. These are not perfect. These are not meant to be perfect. This is my mess up, right? It is. This is my mess up. See? Now, I went back and I played with it and I had some fun with it, but it's not perfect. Don't get stuck thinking that it has to be a certain way. Just start making some lines in the circles, right? Now, this is actually for tomorrow, right? We're doing simple lines today, just simple stuff, up and down, cross hatches, whatever you want to do. Swirlies. I like swirlies. I'm a scribble person, really. I like scribbles. I like the radial, you know. Play with it. This is play time. And you're starting to develop your own style. Get used to it. You'll rock it. I promise. It's okay. There's no wrong answers. You got it. Okay? All right. Be sure to show me what you're doing over on Messy Hands. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. All right? Love you guys. Oh, definitely please leave me a comment and let me know what you think of the project. Okay guys, we'll chat soon. Bye. Hello artists, welcome back to day 2. What we're gonna work on today is just some lines. Now you may think, why are we drawing lines? Well, it's to get you used to drawing lines, right? It's simple. Non-threatening. So then when I take you to the next step, you're gonna go, oh, well, that's just like drawing lines or drawing squiggles. Now this particular pen is not happy. It's not making me happy. This is my favorite gel pen. This is Impact 207 Signo Uniball. I do love these gel pens. Make sure you guys are here. Now, let's see. We can even go from there. What if we just do a radial line? Radial meaning from the center. Like a pizza pie. Easy. It's easy. Well, don't overthink it. Okay, so let's think about a wavy line, but setting it up as a pattern. That's pretty cool. Let's look at straight with a bump. I don't know if that does anything. Let's look at a wavy line. That's a bigger wavy line. Those are fun. Let's see, how are we on time? I think we've got, oh, we've only got 3 minutes down. Okay. So, we are just doodling. That's fun. Kind of cool. Let's see. Oh, a herringbone. That'd be kind of cool. Diagonal line. I don't know if I need one more. We'll do one more there. And then we have lines going to there. And lines going, oh, we need one in between. Okay. Going there. Then these guys come off from there. And these come down to here. I think that's pretty cool. Ooh, we just made like stairways. It's totally fun. All right, let's do trying to do wood grain. Doesn't look much like wood grain, does it? Oh goodness, what did I do there? I was trying to do wood grain. making it worse. They don't all have to be masterpieces, remember that. I don't know what that is. Moving on. Not worth messing with, right? I just did reverse. Where are we at? I think we're done. No, we're not done yet. Okay. I'm going to put a circle around that one. In fact, I'm going to do a circle here. I dig that. That's cool. Just playing. Okay, guys. Well, that brings us to time. Oh, that one was a horrible failure, wasn't it? We're not even gonna look at that guy. Let's see if we can make it something else. But these other ones are pretty cool. We're just playing with lines. So here was our first little pattern: dots, circles, hearts, triangles, whatever. Here we're playing with a line. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. I promise this will lead up to more. So just allow your hand to loosen up. Give yourself 10 minutes to just play with this in a day. It's pretty cool, and it will lead to more. That I do promise. Okay, guys. I hope you have a great day. We'll chat soon.